Exactly, I have like this. No, no, thank you so much. I'm so sorry, yeah. Maybe next year, yeah. Yo, what's up? I just arrived at the Blue Point in Uluwatu and I'm just on the entrance to the single fin. As you can see, it's closed again. Here is the sign as they will open on Friday or Saturday. And limited hours, that's how it looks like. Not so long ago, if you remember, with Winnie, we was here. Actually, that was actually something between after Christmas and New Year, and it was so busy, full of packed of people. We didn't have even space to see it, have a drink or something. And now check this out, it's just totally closed and it's totally literally nobody surrounds me. Anyway, I will go to the beach down there and maybe will be some place to having bintang. Everywhere in Bali since few days it's rainy and cloudy, also windy, so that's why I decided to go to Uluwatu. It's actually more than 1 hour drive, even I drive quite fast, if slow, about 1.5. We will see how's the crack. So windy. Wherever you hear, you have to go down. Check this out, the steps. Going down is okay, but going up later is so difficult actually. Usually it's also a lot of people over here and surfers, but the waves are very like, I don't know. Here's one warung. Here is another one. Warung. Some warungs are open actually. Maybe I will have a bintang over here later. Can you hear the sound of the ocean? Maybe later, yeah? Yeah. Maybe later. Some smaller warungs are open here. I will come back, have a bintang after that. But before that I will go down to have a look how is the beach. Its ocean is quite wavy, I have to say. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear how quiet it is here? Now due to we doing vlogs without music and little bit different concept, that's just showing you how is it. You can feel the vibe actually. We'll try to do it for 2 weeks. We will see if it's better or worse. Also please comment below what do you think about the concept like this. This is the surf village. Normally in here in this old buildings is a lot of like a place where you can have a picture of the surfers and something like that. However, currently at this moment everything, literally everything, is just closed, unfortunately. So sad view actually, right? Okay, I will go down, have a look how it's on the beach. By the way, when you are here you have to be very careful how you walk, and there are 2 paths, one here and one there. Usually I use this one. This is the newer one. This is the name of the beach if you're interested. Pantai Sulaban, Uluwatu, Bali, or Blue Point, or Single Fin. Single Fin is the bar, Blue Point is the hotel, and this is the name of the beach. However, For me it's always Blue Point, I don't know why. As you can see, it's really very quiet here. Oh, some warung here. But after that it's really super quiet. I will have a look if it's the warung open upstairs. If you go upstairs, it's the kind of warung where you can have a drink, but I think it's closed. Okay, I will risk and I will check this out. You don't risk anything, but you have to walk, and it's closed. As you can see, here is the access to the warung. It's totally closed, and here is the famous place where is the swimming pool on the rock. I don't know if you ever see this. It's closed also, and it's cost you 250, 150 per person if 3 of them. That's how it looks like. So tired, by the way. But check this out, something is here. I will have a look. Okay, one warung here is open. I will come back. Only one warung here, but already closed. Just few people on the beach, as you can see. Photo session. There is also one path to the beach. I will go later, but first I will show you here. It's very nice. Enjoy the sound of the ocean. Some people making selfies. And here is the access to the surfers. However, today's ocean looks how is it, so not many surfers around. But selfie in action. Only few people who are here. They are only local people who are on holiday still and wants to have a picture selfie. I passed only 2 surfers, which is one was local, one was the foreigner, so that's how it looked like. I will go to this warung on the cliff, having bintang or cola. We will see what they have. I hope so they have something. Also check this out, this is the secret beach, secret path next to the warungs. This is only access here when it's very low tide. How is it now? I will try to show you using my trekking shoes. Oh, it is like this. I'm not gonna jump down because I carry this one. Quite difficult, but as you can see, that's how it looks like. Alright, next door, going again. Oh Jesus, it's actually so tiring. They are still open. Welcome to Warung Delphi. We will see if they have something here. Hello. Do you have something?
Yes.
Radler?
No radler. Bintang, another one you see inside.
Cola?
Yeah, cola, yeah. Bintang,
Bintang Radler habis ya?
no radler. This okay.
Oh, normal. Okay, it's Coca-Cola, it's okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, me only drink Radler, you know. No problem, yeah. Thank you. So that's how it looks, the warung at the edge of the cliff. Woo. Yeah, just put here, it's okay. Thank you so much. Woo. Can you hear the sound of the ocean? It's really amazing. Alright, so tiring actually going up and down, but the view is really amazing, right? I have to agree. They didn't have a radler as you saw, but they have this red sugarish drink, actually black, red and black. And yeah, we'll have a chill little bit. Maybe I will make some small time lapse, what you probably saw already at the beginning of the video. And yeah, comment below what do you think about the concept of vlogging like this one. Totally different than previous one, but maybe it's better for you. Comment below. That will be trial for 2 weeks and later we will see. Okay, having my drink. Cheers guys, today Coke. I will go up soon. One my time lapse is in progress. One thing what I forgot to mention previously, here when it's the very high tide and windy stormy weather like it's today, just difference is now is the low tide, but if it's high tide, everything here, you can hear the sound of the waves hitting the crocs over here, these ones, and this construction is literally shaky. It's like feeling like it's the earthquake. It's super amazing. One day I hope so I can come back here where it's high tide and I will try to record you that, but however you cannot feel it when you are holding the camera, but you have to trust me. It's amazing feeling and the scary at the same time, but if you know what's going on, it's super cool. Thank you. How much? Okay, it's okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Bye. Exactly, I have like this. No, thank you so much. I'm so sorry, yeah. Maybe next year, yeah. Oh, don't cry. No, thank you so much. I have to go. Oh, this is interesting process of the putting stuff up from this going up. Okay, and I also have to go up. Well, the Coke cost me 15k, which is kinda normal in this area, kinda expensive, kinda normal. I gave them 20k. It's only 5k tip, even you don't have much. Buddha said if you don't have and you're still giving, that's a very priceless skill, and that's gonna come back one day to you, right? I hope so. Never lose your optimism. And yeah, that's how it looks. Have to go up. Okay, few more steps. Some people here chilling. Yo, what's up?
Very good, guys.
Yeah. Take care, good luck, yeah? Alright, going back to the parking area. Whew. Even shops are closed here. So tiring. Where's my bike? Oh, even my helmet is still there. So glad. Alright, just arrived back to my bike. I'm so glad that my helmet is here. Whew, so tiring actually to go. However, thank you so much for watching. Hope so you enjoy. One more time, let me know what do you think about the new concept. And like always, see you tomorrow, 4 PM Bali time. See ya, take care guys.